Tyson Brooks asks a good question. What criteria do you use for determining what size of stock material you store? I'm working on my inventory and wanted to know how you go about stocking your shelves. I have ended up stocking my shelves with nothing longer for the most part, than 4 feet. That has been my main length that I can handle in the shop. All the wood behind me is maximum 2 by 4 foot size. And that's because I don't have a lot of space here. I can see a point in the future where I would have better material storage and actually even more material storage in which I could store some 4x8s and some longer pieces. I actually do have a bunch of 8-footers of PVC and I gotta remove those out of the corner. I'm trying to figure out, I might put them up high. Yeah, 4 feet is the length, and it comes about because I don't have a lot of room here. I am hoping in the next year to expand my shop into the display space. What's going to happen to the display space? Well, we will keep you apprised of what will happen to the display space, but I'm hoping to make it more accessible to people. And that would mean that the display space gets to display more things, that I get to see them, and that you get to see them, and I get a bigger shop out of the deal. That's my current plan. I'll get more specific about it when I know more. Is the Victorinox no longer working, or have you just not been turning it on as much lately? Victorinox is my Swiss Army knife shrine that sits above my lathe. Yeah, it stopped about a month ago, and I haven't gotten on a ladder to get up there to find out why. That's all. It's been that kind of month. I did get a new ladder. Right, and someone asked me about that. Someone else asked me about a ladder here. So anyway, I just found a ladder. Hold on, I'll show it to you. Oh, this is a collapsible ladder. It goes up to 13 and a half feet. And I bought this because I actually found it in a list of, apparently, I could be totally wrong about this, but like, there are special forces teams in which one guy has that strapped to his back. And that like thrills me. I've had 3 telescoping ladders, and the technology has been getting better and more robust. And this is really stunning. And I dig it for being able to get up high on the wall. Han and Carbonite came down recently, and he's going back up, and we'll cover that. But the ladder is, because I had all these folding ladders in here, and they were just shite for being able to maneuver around all this crap. We also have a plan to take care of all this crap, but that's for the future. Oliver Williams. Why are labels stacked on the slate rather than being replaced? Why are labels stacked on the slate rather than being replaced? It's simply because I got lazy for a couple of weeks, and I liked this right here. That's not a slate with labels on it. That's a story about how someone uses a slate with labels on it. And there's nothing I like better than an object that tells a clear story. And this object tells a clear story. This is, oh dude, this object gets better every single day. I abuse the hell out of it. And I'll keep going. I'll keep going until the absurdity forces me to stop. That is why the slate keeps getting labels without removing them. Thank you so much for watching. If you'd like to support us even further, you can by becoming a tested member. Details are, of course, below, but it includes all sorts of perks, and we're building them all the time. You get advanced word and behind-the-scenes photos of some of our projects. Questions, you get to ask direct questions during my live streams, and we have some members-only videos, including the Adam real-time series of unbroken, unedited shots of me working here in the shop. They are weirdly meditative. Thank you guys so much. I'll see you on the next one.